Ooh, yellow. Dude, that's kind of nice. You gotta start competing with that Snap-on High Vis.
Right.
Dude, man, I could stop traffic with this thing.
Yeah.
Heat gun attachments, I like. Wouldn't have to buy heat gun attachments. It's easier just to cut the fingers off the people who take my heat gun. It's cheaper too. Ooh, you got all the Milwaukee totes.
Yeah.
Love my weed whacker. Trim tools, socket holders. A fold-up seat. That GB150. Yeah, I got the same one. Still using micro USB. Stubby ratchets. Welding stuff. Pickle forks. Some soft sockets, spark plug sockets. Love these. Double wobble. Double wobble. This is a impact double wobble?
Mm-hmm.
Like a double rainbow?
I guess so.
You mind if I open and look at it?
Sure.
Thank you. Quarter. That is cute. That's cute. I want this in chrome too, so I can use it with hand tools. That's a nice snap ring in there too. They didn't cheap out on that. It's got the spring pivot. And this... I was about to go like, this ain't all it's crazy. Okay, I get it now.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Okay. Yeah. Yeah,
Sure.
what?
Yeah.
Earbuds.
Yeah.
They actually stay in my ear.
What are these?
Yeah, the earbuds.
Sovereign Duo?
Mm-hmm.
They-
They're really good. And they actually do isolate like noise from outside. So it's
Ooh.
they're really good.
How much are they?
They're on sale right now.
They're on sale.
Yeah. They're on his new flyer.
You got a new coloring book and you didn't tell me? Maybe you did. Maybe you did give it to me and I ignored
Thank
it.
you.
How much are those little earbuds?
112.
Ooh. And all they are is just for noise deadening?
Well, I mean, they're like earplugs. You can listen to music or...
Oh, okay, they also let you listen to
Yeah.
music. Oh, okay, cool. Alright. I thought they were like the smart ones, like for shooting guns.
Oh, no.
So back to this. Wow. So, how much is this going for? I am very interested. Don't you buy anything, you're just going to trade it in next. Actually, you know what, you should buy this so you can trade it in and I get it at a discount. Because that's all you do is buy things and trade it in.
134.
Yeah, I want to play with it. I'll take it. She's just like, there's part of me who's going, that's so gimmicky, but then the other part's like, I'm gonna find a use for this.
Right.
There's been so many gimmicky things that I'm like, I still use them to this day.
Yeah.
Bolt extractors. Oh, and they got the little punch to knock them out. How cool. What's this? Oh, I would never display my drill bits. They are locked up. What's this? 10. Oh, yeah, everyone's coming out with these fancy 10 sets now. Oh. You sell these now too. These are the extractors that come in the incremental steps in the event that somebody just rounded the piss out of it. I like that. How much are these?
$2.99.
And you warranty them out if they get rounded up?
I think so.
I always ask on some of these beat 'em up tools.
Yeah, they're lifetime.
That's good to know. So lifetime, so you can round the snot out of them. Are they impact rated? Or are they hand tool only? Because they're black. Anything
they
black.
didn't say.
Yeah, that's. I had one company who sold me some extensions and they were black. It was from Apex Tools,
Yeah.
who owns Mako Tools. And they got, when I tried to warranty it, they were like, hey, no warranty. I was like, why? Because you impacted with it. But it's black. Anything black is impact. That's been the
Right.
rule for years. And they were like, no, that's just our anti-rust coating. Well, you know, for any of this stuff, you should be using a hand tool. So that way you don't beat them up. But that is good that you do. I'll have to tell these goons who keep borrowing mine, you now have this.
Right.
Right there is where I got them. That's nice. Oh, and you got them in 3/8 too? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, because I don't have the 3/8 version of these. Nice and shallow too. Uh-oh. 3/8, 10, 7/16. Yes, straight up, no skip step. What's the 3/8? About 300 again.
$2.46.
Ooh, those are cheaper then. So I saw these. These are the Not from the same people, though.
No. No, and that one has a mix of stuff.
You're still getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14. 3, 4, 5, 6. Damn you reading boxes. So yeah, I think you're getting the same number, but I think these are a little bit more stout for the using for an impact. Because I've seen this is a new design of bolt extractor coming out as this kind of like wave grip.
Yeah.
Used to install, and then it's got the center pin punch to knock them out. That was the death of my other one, was trying to get the bolts out. Once I got them in, then I'd have to slam them on the ground to get them out. What's this one?
$155.
Really? Do you mind if I open this up?
No.
Because I've been looking for something for the exhaust. Seem to be struggling with the exhaust. Okay. I like that everything's starting to come in foam trays. I'm going to say that Cornwell kind of started that trend of coming out with the foam trays, and then everybody followed in suit. Because I saw it on your truck first.
Yeah.
And then Snap-on came out and was like, oh, well, you can buy them separately. And then Mac Tools came out and said, well, you can also buy it separately. So that's just a punch. Nope. So this is just the striking side. Okay. So it's not like the other ones where you can screw it in.
No, no.
That would have cost more money. I do like that we get a wrench end on this too. And not to be tricked by the fractionals, because the fractionals would actually be the same thing as just having like an 8, 8.5, 10, 9. Because the fractionals are filling up the gap. See, a 3/4 is a 19. Interesting. I am really stupid happy that there's this on here, because that's going to be good for some engine work, especially for valve covers. Okay, sir, I'll buy this set.
Okay.
Thank you. I get some good... Oh, wait. Before we buy, are the teeth warranted? Because this is the Ohio brand, and this is the different brand. Maybe
Yeah, they lifetime.
Okay. You know who's making these, like Ulsa or something, or it's just like a Blue Power thing?
It's just Blue Power.
Okay.
Yeah, that one doesn't say.
Well, I've been happy with my Blue Power stuff. I don't care what people say about you. I like my Blue Power stuff. Because at least with Blue Power, you know what you're buying.
Right.
You know, if you went price shopping and you settled on Blue Power, you knew what you were getting.
Yeah.
You were getting something to get by, and, you know, if it got by for a long time, then it did its job.
Right.
That's what I say. That's what I say. I had the Matco guy who tried to size me up on my my stubby right angle, those long grip Blue Powers I got from you, because you had them like the 1/2 inch and the 3/8. They, on the promo when they first launched, you were like $400 for the set.
Yeah.
I was like, I've been loving them ever since for my suspension work. And now that the Matco guys got them, he tried to size me up and go like, oh look, you know, like the power of this and the power. I'm like, yeah, but for the price of one, I got two.
Yeah.
And if I got to go that many beans, bro, I'm just getting out of Breaker Bar and calling it done.
Yeah.
Because he wanted $500 for just one.
That's crazy.
And he's like, well, yeah, you get all these speed... I was like, you don't need speed controls when you're trying to break something off. You just want it off.
Yeah.
That was happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Well, I had fun today. I think I should go back. I gotta go make some money to pay you back.
Alright.
Alright, I'm getting screamed at, so I gotta go.
Alright.
Thanks for coming out,
Thank you.
Mr. John. It
Yes,
was a
sir.
pleasure buying things from you.
Yeah. Have a good day.
I will now.